Hi friends, I am Noor. In this tutorial, I will show how can make a administrative user, also power user. What is the administrative user and what is the power user? Administrative user, that means you can any software install, also permitted another users, also create new users. And power user means you just can be access your computer, but you cannot remove any software, also cannot create any users, also cannot change user permission, also cannot install any softwares. Okay friends, previous tutorial I will show how can make a users, also make a password and others. Okay, so we watching for this user is Nurmohammad E. First we show what types of users. Okay, for to watch we see, we go to the this PC and go to the manage. First we check this Nurmohammad E, that means engineer, what types of group. Okay, then we go to the local users and group, then go to the users and double click on full name. Okay, then click the member of friends. We can see Nurmohammad engineer, that means the administrative group. Okay, this user can be create another users, also can be install in software, also remove any software and other things like we install this software. Okay, double click and press yes and okay and next, agree, next, next. Friends, we can see this users using, we can install this software, also can be remove this software from control panel. Okay, we go to the control panel. Okay, then go to the programming file, program and features, and we can remove this notepad from his users. Friends, this is the administrative user, that that's for we can install, also remove the any softwares, also can be create any users. Okay, complete the uninstall, also we can make another users. Okay, that's why we go the manage to local users and go to the users and right click on mouse and click the new users and write your name. This is the create is Noor and description is Noor. Also can be power user. Okay, and if you want you can make a password. I keep 123 123, this is same and create. Okay, after that just double click on mouse and go to the member of and remove the users and add and go to the advanced to find now and make a power user. Okay, power user. Okay, 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 okay friends, now we are sign out and try to install the software. Okay, I'm copy this notepad in drive, e drive I keep in there. Okay, now we are sign out. Okay, sign out and try to open the new users. Okay, new user is Noor and press 123 and press enter. New user is ready. We are getting everything ready for you. Friends, if you do not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get the more technologies video. I have adding full technologies video in my channel. This is the new users, that means it's taken sometimes. Friends, this is the power users. When we try to install the software, then must we enter the administrative username also password. If we have administrative user password, then we can install the software. If not administrative username also password, then we cannot install the software, also cannot remove the software. Okay. Okay friends, first we go to the file and select that this PC and go to the E drive. Friends, this is the Nur user. You can see this is the Nur user. We can go to watch this user. Right click on mouse and go to the display setting. Okay. Then display. Okay. Right click mouse and go to the personalization. Personalization and click the theme to desktop icon and go to select username also. This is the Nur. You can see this username is Nur and close. Friends, you can see this username is Nur, but this user is power users. That's why I cannot install any software. Also remove. Okay. We try to install this notepad. Double click on notepad and you can see there is one Nurmohammad engineer password. This is the administrative user. Friends, if you know this administrator user password, then you can only install the software. If cannot know this administrative user password, you cannot install the software. Okay. Now we try to remove any software. Control panel to programs and go to the programming file and we try to uninstall another software. This is the BNC media player. Click uninstall. Friends, you can see we cannot uninstall any software because this is the local user power user. That's why we cannot uninstall any software. Friends, if you do not till now subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get the step by step technologies video. Thanks for watching.